Benjamin entered the world surrounded by sorrow. His mother Rachel died during childbirth. His father Jacob feared losing him constantly, and his brothers carried the weight of a broken family divided by jealousy and pain. Yet Benjamin's story became part of one of the Bible's greatest journeys of restoration. From a painful beginning, to emotional reunion, to sacrificial love between brothers, Benjamin's life reveals how God can bring healing even to deeply wounded families. Today, we uncover the powerful story of Benjamin, the youngest son of Jacob. 1. What happens when deep sorrow and great hope collide in the same moment? As Rachel gave birth on the journey to Ephrath, tragedy struck. With her final strength, she named her newborn son, Benoni, son of my sorrow. But Jacob refused to let grief define his child's future. In Genesis 35, he renamed the boy Benjamin, son of the right hand, a name connected with strength, favor, and honor. Benjamin's story reminds us that painful beginnings do not have to determine the rest of your life. God can transform sorrow into purpose. 2. For years, Joseph believed he had lost everything: his home, his freedom, and the little brother he loved most, Benjamin. Then in Genesis 43, Benjamin finally arrived in Egypt. Joseph recognized him instantly, but Benjamin had no idea the powerful Egyptian ruler standing before him was actually his brother. Joseph became so overwhelmed with emotion that he had to step away privately to weep. Later, the brothers embraced in one of the Bible's most emotional reunions. Benjamin's story reminds us that even after long seasons of separation and pain, restoration is still possible. 3. Benjamin became the center of one of the Bible's greatest moments of sacrifice. After Joseph secretly tested his brothers in Egypt, Benjamin was accused and faced being kept behind. Years earlier, the brothers had abandoned Joseph. But this time something changed. Judah stepped forward and offered himself instead of Benjamin. In Genesis 44, Judah begged to take Benjamin's place so their father Jacob would not lose another beloved son. That act of love shattered Joseph emotionally, because for the first time, his brothers were no longer driven by jealousy. Benjamin's story reminds us that true transformation is revealed through sacrifice, compassion, and protecting others. Benjamin's story reminds us that sorrow does not have the final word. God can transform broken families, deep grief, painful memories, and fractured relationships into stories of healing, restoration, and hope. Like, share, and subscribe for more Bible stories and Christian motivation.